always a good practice that whenever you get your tank refilled, you should always check your tire pressures. So in every vehicle there is a stipulated pressure, tire pressure. In my case it is around the 35 psi, and you need to see it in the manual, and sometimes it is also mentioned in the door of the car, like in my case. So this is a small video which I wanted to make, that we should inculcate this habit of always checking the tire pressure whenever we go for refueling of a tank in the car.